2013 Cadillac ATS4 2.0 Turbo. Replacing spark plugs. First thing you want to do is remove the Torx bolt. It's probably like an 8. And then you remove the oil cap. Put them aside. Remove your engine cover. Remove the two 10mm bolts. One goes here and one goes over there, into there, so you can pick that up and push it aside. Remove all your 10mm bolts for your coils. Lift up your coil a little bit so you can unplug it. I had to pull the little red tab out a little bit. And then squeeze the black part to undo it. And then pull them off. And then finally pull the coils all the way out. Keep them in order, how you took them out. I'll turn it around this way. See, that way. Okay. And then get your spark plug socket. It's a 5/8. Stick it in there, remove your spark plugs. But before you do that, you might want to put your oil cap back on so nothing falls down in there. Now you want to take some air and blow under the spark plug holes. Blow the dirt out. Now you can pull your spark plugs out. Loosen them up. And then get a socket. Not a socket. A magnet. And reach in there. You might have to pull them out. Okay? Okay, now they're out. Okay, I've got my new spark plugs. Put a little bit of anti-seize on the threads. And what I want to do is lower them down into the spark plug hole best I can, because my sockets are wore out and won't hold the spark plug. So then I'll lower them down in there. Got them all lowered in there. And then I'll hand start them with my socket and my extension. And once I get them all started, then I'll run them down with my ratchet and I'll do my final torque, which is probably like around 14 foot-pounds. You're best off looking up the spec. Okay, I got my spark plugs in, I got them torqued. And also now my boots. Put a little bit of dielectric grease inside the boot. And then put a little bit of dielectric grease around here. Just a little bit, just a very fine film of it, just to help keep the dirt out. Okay, and then you put all your spark plug coils in. Put a little anti-seize on your bolt threads. And then snug them up. Alright, remember, when you tighten your bolts up for your coils, push the coils down and then tighten your bolts, okay? Once you got all your 4 coils in, your 4 bolts tight, don't forget about your engine cover bracket in the back. You got 2 bolts, okay? Got those done. Alright, so that's all done. Now we can put the engine cover back on. Don't forget to take off your oil cap before that. And then you got to put your Torx bolt back in when you got the cover on. Also, you might want to look at your PCV system on it. Make sure that these aren't cracked or split, because those split right here, split right there. Yep, these are good. I've replaced this one before. Okay, well, there you have it. Spark plug replacement. Thank you.